Ever tried keeping up with the world's fastest hummingbird? Join me as we dive into the breathtaking world of these tiny speedsters, capable of reaching an astonishing 60 miles per hour. Hummingbirds are marvels of nature, with wings that beat up to 80 times per second. This unique ability allows them to hover, fly backward, and even upside down, making them aerial acrobats like no other. But life isn't all nectar and flowers for these incredible birds. They face fierce competition for food, defend their territories with unmatched tenacity, and rely heavily on water, consuming twice their body weight daily, no small feat in drought-stricken areas. Among over 330 species, the title of the fastest belongs to Anna's hummingbird, zooming through the skies at up to 65 miles per hour. These western U.S. and Mexican natives dazzle with their iridescent feathers and unmatched agility. In slow motion, their wings become a blur as they dart, dive, and defy gravity. Watching them reminds us of nature's beauty, complexity, and resilience. Thanks for joining me on this whirlwind journey into the world of hummingbirds. If you enjoyed this, comment and share your favorite hummingbird moment. And don't forget to check out my other wildlife adventures. There's always more to explore.